Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al.
Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful French toast. We're using wheat bread, but you can use the bread of your choice. Okay, let's start by breaking out room temperature eggs. Alright, there you go. Got 3 eggs in there. Now, we're going to add our half and half. Pour that in there. Okay, a combination of cream and milk, half and half, because we want that nice richness. Alright, now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, not the imitation stuff, guys. Beautiful. Okay, and now we're going to add 1 full teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, wonderful. Then we're going to put in about a tablespoon of brown sugar and a little bit over. So that's a tablespoon and maybe a teaspoon. Let's combine this together. And that should be the nice flavor that we're looking for. Okay. Okay guys, this smells great. We're gonna use wheat bread. You can use any kind of bread you'd like. And we're gonna let it submerge nicely. You want it to soak real nice. So I'm gonna get another one in there. And then we're just going to turn that over nicely. Let it soak. Don't be shy. But you don't want it to soak too much to where it breaks up, okay? So this one here I'm going to pull right out, okay? I'm going to do the other one. I'll do one more for you. And then I'm going to do the rest. Okay? Here's one more. All right, let it soak. This soaks it up real nice. And then pull it right out. All right? I'll do the rest the same way. Okay guys, as you can see, these are completely soaked, and you can always save your extra batter if you have for the next day. Or you can soak as many breads as can take all of that batter, okay? So we're gonna now take these to the pan. As you can see, these are completely soaked. I had my bread sit out so it was nice and dry, and now we're gonna put them in the pan. Come on. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with some vegetable oil, just a drop. And the reason why I'm using vegetable oil is because I want my butter not to burn. Look at this. I hit it with some nice salted butter or sweetened butter. And I'm just going to lace the pan nicely because we want that flavor. And the oil keeps it from burning. That's why we do that. Okay, guys? All right. Look at that. That's looking great. Now, we're going to put in this wonderful seasoned French toast. Wow, that smells delicious. We're gonna brown these up. Okay, you want it on a nice medium temperature. Okay guys, we just wanna turn this over. Look at this. This is what you want. Let it get brown nicely. You want it to brown nicely, okay? And then we're gonna turn to the other side. Guys, I just flip it over nicely. Got some nice color there. Oh, that looks great. That's what you want, guys. You want that wonderful color. I'm just going to flip it over. Oh, wow. That's what you want. See that? That's nice. Brown nicely. Here we go. Look at this right here. Beautiful. Don't worry. There you go. All right. That's looking great. Alright guys, as you see, it has a nice color that we want. We're going to put it on a nice oil pan and we're going to pop them in the oven. Yes, and completely dry them out. Absolutely. Take a look at that. That's what you want. Look at that. Let's get this in there. Alright guys, we're going to pop these in the preheated oven at 300 degrees for 5 minutes just to dry it out. These look delicious. Smells great. Come on, let's just pop it in. Right out the oven, guys. Let's plate it up. Oh, this smells delicious. All right, this is it, guys. So easy. You just hit it with your syrup. All right, that's it. This is for breakfast. All right, guys, here we go. This is the best part. Oh, man. This is delicious. You taste the vanilla, the wonderful cinnamon. It's a nice blend. I'm telling you, you can eat this in the morning. This is it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.